All right, so as the third Friday of May, today is National Children's Day, enforcing bonds between parents and their children. But of course, bonds should be encouraged every single day of the year. And this mother and daughter duo, Carleen Smith and Crystal Davis, totally agree. Good morning. Y'all are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Crystal. So, Crystal, you're past child, right? Because child ends at 18. You're older than 18?
I am older than 18.
Are you sure? You don't look older. Carleen, is that genes? Well, clearly, because look at, oh my gosh. Anyway, let me get over myself. Tell me a little bit about this relationship. Carleen, Mommy, let me start with you because we all know you from, you know, what we originally know you from. I mean, you've come a long way since. You've done so much more. You did so much then. You've expanded your horizons. Now you're baking and you're going into business and you're an entrepreneur and all the rest of it. But tell me what it was like being a mother to Crystal when you were going through your dancehall queen part of your life. How was that balance of that image with mommy image?
I actually switched image when I became a mom. So that's when I kind of finished with that segment of it and went into other things like TV, talk show, radio. Yeah, still keeping dancehall there, but I just knew once I became a mom, it was going to be all about her.
And tell me a little bit about that, because you have people who say, well, this was her career. Why would she have had to stop doing that? But you felt it's important to stop.
Yes, because as you know, I wasn't a lawyer, a doctor, or a dentist, or, you know, sweeping the street. I was wearing sexy, suggestive clothes. And I knew when I was doing what I did, I was a single person, meaning I didn't have any children or a child. So the minute I became a mom, I was pregnant, I knew it was a 360 degree for me. Yeah. Not that I was doing anything bad or wrong, but it's time and place. And motherhood has a responsibility for me that when she came into the world and into my life, she wouldn't have anything to be ashamed of from my part of it. Because whatever I would have done, I did when I definitely didn't have a child.
Mm-hmm. Crystal, what's she like as a mom? I know you recently threw her a surprise party for her birthday earlier this month. So clearly there's love there. Tell me a little bit about Carleen as a mom and how you feel about the relationship between the two of you.
Yeah, our relationship we have a bond, like it's strong. It's very strong. We have a connection that I don't think anybody would understand. She's a mother, a sister, a best friend. She's everything you need in one. And I can talk to her about anything. She's very understanding. That's for sure. She's caring, loving. Oh my God, the care that she has, not only with me, but with other people, it's.
And Carleen, how have you managed to do that? Because sometimes we take lessons from our own parents as to what to do or what we will never do. How did you kind of learn the ropes of motherhood and facilitate this beautiful relationship that your daughter is gushing about this morning?
You know what? I never had my mom. You know, I didn't. I grew with my dad, and I think I was scared to be a mom, wondering if I would be capable to do, you know, what wasn't done to me. And knowing my character and the kind of person I am and the heart that I have, I couldn't see anything less than what has developed based on who I am. So you are a mom, Simone. That's the greatest gift, joy, my best achievement to today. It's her. So it was easy. It was just a love that started from day one.
Yeah. And Crystal, you say you're able to talk to her about anything. How important is that line of communication between mother and daughter, especially today?
When there's trust with one another, I think it makes your life easier, as well as there might be consequences. But if you tell a lie, it's going to be harder than if you tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you guys can communicate, and there's what's the word I'm looking for?
Well, I've always taught her from high, never lie to me. So once you break that, I think as a mother to a child, as a man to a woman, as an adult to, just human beings in a whole, but as a mother, I made her comfortably enough when she tell me the truth, I reacted on it as if it never happened and explained why it shouldn't happen.
Right.
And I instill in her from day one that, listen, if I can't trust you, I can't defend you. I can't be there for you. I can't back you. I can't know that if somebody called me and say, Crystal is somewhere, I can say, oh, yeah, she told me. Or no, she's not. Or wait, let me find out from Crystal. And if she said to me, Mommy, I didn't do that, I wasn't there, it's a wrap.
Yep.
Because she knows if she tell me something else, the punishment is going to be endless.
I got you.
Answer, never hit her, never hit her.
Yep.
Never hit her,
Yep.
because I don't believe in spanking. That's just me.
Yep.
But punishment for consequence of things that go wrong. I mean, nothing but for making her understand that you don't do that again. And this is So at 15, 16, when everybody's talking about teenage, I didn't have that. Because I would go to the parties with them. I would eat them. Yeah, I stay. Sometimes I have 12, 8 kids. A lot of people don't know I have one child. They think I have all this many children because I'm always with children. And as I'd say, you have to let your child know you're there for them. Your children, that you're there for them. So she thinks I can make the impossible possible. Because I give her that confidence from she was a baby.
Love that. Pouring into them from early. And I see that she's heading into her 3rd year of university. She's your paid assistant. I love that. And Crystal, you also started your own swimwear accessories business. So you're heading into entrepreneurship like your mom. You guys are beautiful. Your relationship seems lovely. Thank you for giving us this warm glow this morning as to what a great mother-daughter relationship looks like. Yeah. Appreciate you both. Thank you so much.
And of course, go to my Instagram page, Dancehall Queen Carleen, to order your sweet potato
pudding.
Wine. Yes, and Crystal, what's your Instagram?
Swim, HYPED, swim, SWIN.
See, Mom is also teaching her about business. Plug, girl, you got to plug. You have the opportunity, you got to plug. Thank you very much, Mom and daughter duo.
And happy Child Month to all the kids in the world, and especially Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Please stop killing our women and children,
please. Yes. Great way to end the interview. Carleen Smith, Crystal Davis, Mom and daughter. Never Bell, come here. We're going to take a break. You're on punishment. Come right here. Neville we're talking on the TV and Neville is playing Candy Crush with his phone going off loud over there. Sit down there in the naughty corner and don't move. I'll be right back.